know I'm running late. I'm on my way. I'm on my way right now. Please, just hold my spot. Hold my spot, please. I really need this job. Please, just hold my spot, okay? I'm coming right now. Thank you. I left it on the table. Where's very sure I left that key here. I left that key on this table now. What's going on?
Why this man never come out? Come on. Are you sure you are the right place?
You trust this woman will give you the job? Come on.
I know they do this kind of job. When I even this job come here. Somebody's coming at me. Okay, it's not him, sir.
But she said at 8 o'clock now. This is 9 o'clock already. Guy, this kind of job is very, very dirty. I don't go feel mount here, make police come catch me. Me, I don't go like this kind of job. Guy, you know what thing go happen? You go call that woman, make she come meet us for that location. I don't feel trade my life with this kind of job. How much you want pay, sir?
Let's calm down like 5 minutes, man.
5 minutes after 1 hour.
Calm down. You're going to
finish this job not dirty job. I don't like him.
You need that money. You need to this job. Let's finish this job once and for all.
Just...
What happened to the key I left here? Hello, bro. I said I'm on my way. Please. Wait, what? No. Please, don't say that. What do you mean they disqualified me because I'm late? Okay. It's okay, bro. Oh. Why is my case always like this? Why? For how many years now I've been trying to get a job, nothing coming forth, and this opportunity that I have, I've lost it just because of how. Is it my carelessness or what will I call this? I'm sure I left that key here. God, why? Why is it that when something good is coming to me, something just comes and takes it away? Have I not suffered enough? Have I not been through enough already? What happened to my key? I left the key right here.
What's delaying this woman now? Come on. I hate this kind of thing.
Over 5 minutes now.
Over 5 minutes now. She don't do.
I mean, she wants us to play like this.
Okay. She's coming.
Okay, guys.
What is all this while now? We have been waiting for you now. We called you now. I called you now. Almost 3 times or 4 times. We called you now.
What kind of job is this? You told us that this man is going to come outside the gate. He will be going for an interview by 7 a.m. We went there by 6 a.m. till 8 a.m. We couldn't see him. This is the second time we are going for this job. What kind of job is this?
He's inside that house.
He's inside the house. Why is he not coming out? We have waited for more than 3 hours. What kind of job is this? Do you want to put me into trouble?
Wait. We are wasting time, madam. To be honest with you, you can't continue with this job anymore.
No, now.
Just do this. Just one more chance.
Madam, they couldn't nearly catch us there.
Do you want to put my life?
Just one chance, please.
One
just
chance.
okay. Oh, tomorrow. I know definitely he will come out. He will go.
You mean for the third time? No,
Please,
I don't know
just
now.
one. Please, tomorrow he will go to job interview.
Madam, wait. We are not here to play. I don't want to do anything. Listen to me. What are you even dragging up? Okay, tell us, what did this guy do to yourself? What's the problem?
He broke my heart.
He broke your heart?
Hey, now. And
Seriously?
he broke my heart. I've dated this guy for 4 years.
That's what I want to kill him. He broke your heart.
Is she serious?
If I don't have him, nobody else will have him.
Wait,
Please,
wait,
this
just
one
because
more
he broke
chance.
your heart, that's why you want to eliminate him.
Are you really serious?
Madam, we don't want to do this job again. I'm tired of this job. Give us our balance. Let's leave here.
Which balance?
Don't play with us, oh. Don't play with us.
Which I gave.
You think
Wait.
Yeah, come on this thing. What did you do this one? Come on this thing, Joe. What did you do this woman? You think I'm going to play? Who the joke with you? I go put you. Come on here, Joe. Give us our balance. Don't play with you. Come on. What did you do? No, just play. All this while we are being. Come on. We are busy our life. At least we are here waiting. Come on, move it. Don't play with me. I don't care. Move it.
I'm not delivered now.
Let's hold this thing, Joe. What's up with this man? Don't think I'm joking here. Let me tell you, this is the first time. You someone broke your heart. Go straight to that person. Don't send out this nonsense message anymore.
What kind of job is this?
Give us our money, Joe. Let's hold this.
Madam,
let's hold this thing.
if I wear you five, you will see say I come on, see this one. No, play with us.
What happened to my key for crying out loud? What? Wait, what? Is something wrong with me? Is there someone else in this house or what? Hello? Hello? Is there anyone else in this house? What is going on? Just now this key was not here and all of a sudden, what's going on? Am I going crazy? Hello? Is there someone else in this house? Hello? I'm not losing my mind, am I? No, I'm not losing my mind. I can still make it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.